guys, what is up? We just went to Tim Hortons for some mild cookies, mild cookies, mild cookies.
Mild cookies.
Show them. Show them what you got. First fire up, guys. Here we go. What's up, guys? We're back at it. So I've drilled the spot welds and cleaned these plates up here. We're gonna build our own DOM bull bar to sit behind the factory bumper. Anyway, I've made a cardboard template of this, and I have the plate steel set up in my backyard. I'm sure the neighbors love this. Okay, I've already cut one out. I don't have a plasma cutter, so grinder it is. Cardboard cutout trace. Let the slice begin. There it is, all tacked up. Some measurements there. Look at the clearance. It is coming together. The piping painted, bungs in, blow off. I just put the one intake pipe on. You can see I got to put a clamp on the turbo. Got my clamp set up here on the intercooler. Got my bull bar here. Just got to miter the ends and cap them off. Might put a little brace piece in here too, just for extra support. But overall, it's coming to an end. Oh man, we're so close to fire up. We got the tire on here just for visual. So much room. Look at that. Look at that stuff. Look at that. We got the intercooler mounted, hoses mounted. We got the bull bar painted. Like, if that doesn't look like a cop car setup.
This turboed Hemi is brought to you by Lime Bubbly.
Okay guys, can't see much, but we're on our bikes. Whoa! What is going on here? A little distracted from the turbo build because there is something on fire. Sky is popping off. It's pouring rain. People, what is Michael, what is happening?
I don't know. That was really weird.
Okay, what is happening?
Okay guys, we found area 50.
This is it. They have landed, man. Oh, it's just a flare stack.
Are you kidding me? Welcome to Alberta.
We found the cause of the aliens. What flare? Oh, that must be the plant letting off some serious. Maybe the plant's blowing up.
Yeah.
all you gotta do, pull all this wiring out.
Nice.
It's all
Nice. Tucked away.
really neat and tidy, so you don't gotta mess around.
We're plugging in the air fuel.
Okay, so anybody that wants to learn how to install
Is that okay?
air fuel gauge in their LX car, this is the easiest way and best looking in my opinion.
I've been waiting for a long time. Shout out Post Baloney. Look at that,
go.
guys. Look at that.
That's all it takes.
That's all it takes.
Should we do a test run here?
Yeah, it says LS49. We got lots of heat. I'm nervous. Are you nervous? Okay, let's think of everything. Oils checked. Clamps tightened. Turbos tightened. Boots are tightened. I'm fired up, dude. We're about to fire it up. So buckle your seatbelts, fasten your laptops, turn your volume down. This is a warning.
Headphone warning. Headphone warning.
I'm scared. First fire up, guys. Here we go. Hey, there's a lot. There's a lot going on. What did we do there, guys? That is rowdy. That is rowdy.
Oh, smells.
It is. That was wild.
I can't believe it fired up so quick.
You smell that?
Yeah.
That's muscle.
That's power.
It smells like a lawn tractor. Guys, I'm just full of excitement here.
Oh, that was a wild ride. Let's go to bed.
Yeah, I can't do this. Okay, let's start it up again. Does not like the tune.
No, it was blowing smoke rings.
Well, we probably have a ton of fuel, so I think that's all we're gonna do till tomorrow. How you feel?
Oh, that was a rush. Okay.